Okay, so I have a sore throat because I think I've been smoking out of this tiny little pipe. I think that's why I have a sore throat. I kind of want to smoke, but I don't want to smoke out of that pipe. There's a bong at my grandma's house, which belongs to Adam, along with this sweater. But if I'm sick, which I am, I don't want to risk, I might have COVID. I don't want to risk going to grandma's. So that's out of the question. So what do? We have to make a bong somehow. Let's give it a try. The idea is we got a wine bottle. We make a gravity bong. How are we going to do that? We need to make a hole in this, but I don't have any of my drill bits here. And I like to just like to MacGyver things. So how can I make a hole in that wine bottle without a drill bit, without any specialized glass cutting tools? And let's see if this will be perfect. This will be perfect. Okay, a little bit of encouragement is always helpful. So here's the idea. I remember there's a way to cut glass with temperature shift. You heat up precisely the glass, and then you submerge in cold water, and then that temperature shift will shatter along where it's heated up.
Now, I didn't have anything special for that, but I do have this rope, and I've split it into this. So what I'm going to do is soak this in olive oil, tie it around the bottle, and then light that on fire, and then light that on fire.
And then light that on fire.
Let that line heat up, and then submerge this bottle in cold water, and we'll see what happens.
Just burn off some of this. This might not light as well as I thought it would. No. Let's see, what else do I have that's flammable? Got rubbing alcohol in the car. I've got WD-40. Contents are flammable. Would you look at that? The things I do in the name of science. Where's my smoke alarm? Let's go. Ah, there we go. All right, here we go. Nope. Not hot enough. Should do it. We'll see. Like it's hot here now. Okay, I think let's count down from 10. 10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
I heard a crack. Ha-ha. Got a receiver. Goes into the receiver. And then we got a gravity bong. We just gotta make the tip. We already have a cork, so we need to make a hole in the cork.
I don't have a drill, but I've got a bottle opener, so it's already got a hole in it. All I have to do is kind of extend it out.
thin this out as well. Not having a drill sucks. That's kind of perfect. The compression
has closed that back up.
I hear it. Little baby nug. Hey, we're good. So, kids, follow your dreams. Anything is possible. I think we're in business now. Science, bitch.